Hollywood's best and brightest from film and television arrived at the Beverly Hills in California for the Golden Globes. Hollywood's awards season heats up at the Golden Globes with surreal narco-thriller musical Emilia Perez about a Mexican drug lord who transitions to life as a woman leading the charge. Narco-thriller musical Emilia Perez has won its first Golden Globe, with Zoe Saldana taking the award for Best Supporting Actress. Jacques Audiard's genre-defying film earned 10 nominations, the most ever for a musical comedy film, including for star transgender actress Carla Sofia Gascon, who plays the title character, as well as co-stars Selena Gomez and Zoe Saldana. So, India's Payal Kapadia has missed out on the Best Director win, but shines with a historic nomination for All We Imagine as Light. And for more on this, we are joined now by Deepika Mehto on the phone line. Deepika, it's a tough loss there for Payal Kapadia and All We Imagine as Light.
Good morning, Tanvi. Payal Kapadia's All We Imagine as Light has lost for the best non-feature film in non-English category. However, it is still in the race in the Best Director category, because the awards, the second lot of the award will be announced later in the day, and we would be having a final confirmation if she is winning the Best Director film. She's lost on the Best Non-Feature Film, which is a heartbreak for many Indians, because All We Imagine as Light couldn't even make it to the Oscars this year. But if we look at All We Imagine as Light's glory throughout the year, straight from the Cannes Film Festival, where she won the Grand Prix for the first time, and even if we look at her nominations, which happened after almost decades, when we look at this category, in both the categories rather, and even if she happens to win the Best Director category, that would also be historic in itself, because All We Imagine as Light is an Indo-French collaboration which has been showcased and making headlines and showing India's cinematic progress also. All We Imagine as Light has gained a special momentum and recognition at Cannes Film Festival. It has gained a special recognition at International Film Festival of India in Goa as well. And if we speak about the 82nd Golden Globe Awards as well, it is gaining recognition and creating new headlines. And we are just hopeful that she is able to win this Best Director category award, because we would be having a confirmation soon on that. And if she wins, that would be really historical, and it would be again showing India's cinematic progress.
Indeed, Payal Kapadia being a woman, showing on the lives of 3 women in the film. If she wins it, like you mentioned, we'll have a confirmation in another few minutes. If she wins it, how historic will it be for women filmmakers back home in India?
See, women filmmaker is one topic which has been emphasized all throughout, especially by India. And when we talk about India's cinematic progress and prowess, if you would remember the 55th edition of International Film Festival of India, it had a different category for women in cinema, for filmmakers in cinema, especially with a special emphasis on women as well. And that has been the message all throughout. If we talk about international awards also, and Indian women especially gaining recognition for that. Payal Kapadia is herself a woman, depicting story of 2 women, and the movie is also revolving around 3 women, the main protagonist along with Chaya Kadam. So this is how it is, showcasing Indian women's prowess and showcasing the progress that Indian women are making. Whatever happens, if we win or if we don't win, whatever happens, the result comes out. But the only fact that Payal Kapadia is making headlines all across, all throughout the year from 2024 to 2025, gaining so many awards already and having so many historic nominations means a lot, and showcases how India is progressing and changing the cinematic landscape, breaking all the gender barriers.
Indeed. Thank you very much, Deepika Mehto, for reporting on the stories.